English Talk Line. Hello everybody, how are you doing today? In this video, you are going to learn an adjective. Are you ready? What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Here are some examples. Big boy, big boy. Big is an adjective, boy is a noun. Another example is red dress. Red dress. Red is an adjective and dress is a noun. Another example is soft pillow. Soft is an adjective and pillow is a noun. Here are lists of an adjective. Number 1 is beautiful. Beautiful. Next is happy, happy. Slowly, slowly. Smart, smart. Lazy, lazy. Kind, kind. Busy, busy. Black, black. Warm, warm. New, new. Big, big. Small, small. Long, long. Short, short. Loud, loud. Bright, bright. Dark, dark. Excited, excited. Hot, hot. Pretty, pretty. Old, old. Cold, cold. Difficult, difficult. Cheap, cheap. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative adjective. These are used to compare differences between the two objects. Here are examples of adjective in comparative form. An adjective tall, the comparative is taller, taller. The boy is taller than the girl. Small is smaller. The orange is smaller than the watermelon. Beautiful. The comparative is more beautiful. She is more beautiful than her sister. Superlative adjective. It compares 3 or more nouns. Let's see the examples below. Strong, the comparative of strong is stronger, stronger. And the superlative is strongest, strongest. Next, sweet, sweet. The comparative is sweeter, sweeter. And the superlative is sweetest, sweetest. An adjective, dark. The comparative is darker, darker. And the superlative is darkest, darkest. Next, angry, angry. The comparative form is angrier, angrier. The superlative is angriest, angriest. Bloody, bloody. The comparative is bloodier, bloodier. And the superlative is bloodiest, bloodiest. Next is big, big. The comparative is bigger, bigger. And the superlative is biggest, biggest. Let's read opposite words. Happy, happy. The opposite is sad, sad. Next, big, big. The opposite is small, small. Next is short, short. The opposite is tall, tall. Next is last, last. The opposite is first, first. Heavy, heavy. The opposite is light, light. Next, late, late. The opposite is early, early. Adjectives to describe a family. Here are the examples. Attractive, attractive. Artistic, artistic. Brave, brave. Caring, caring. Competitive, competitive. Creative, creative.